perhaps others do not just yet?
Well, I think what we like there is that it's not as it's a little more quickly growing, not a fast growing group than, for instance, overall utilities. It has a better yield on average than the utility stocks. We didn't want to keep utilities out of that mix on the upper side. We're we're underweight utilities, but we're overweight the telecoms. We think there's a little more yield potential for the investor who wants to be a little more conservative. We're also modestly overweight basic materials and technology, and we think both of those areas should benefit from international growth as we move ahead and as companies start to do more capital spending, which has been slow, although we are approaching the 80% capacity utilization level already.
You mentioned you were underweight utilities. You're also underweight energy and financials. Why?
The energy stocks took a really nice move. Oil prices, a strong move, and during that period of time, we went to an underweight on the energy stocks, and that was really due to our expectation and what we're seeing as being slower growth, perhaps in the emerging markets than some thought. So it's a demand question, but also looking forward, potential for supply to be picking up as the U.S. Is creating more energy, as U.S. is may be selling more abroad as time goes by. So both supply and demand suggest that perhaps we see some drop in oil, and that should go along with those stocks. So we've been underweight there for a bit. I think we'll probably remain there for a while still.
And financials? What's the reasoning there?
Yeah, well, we're underweight modestly financial at this point, although I think as we move ahead, as we see more lending pull ahead in this economy and more breadth in growth, and we see a little more growth internationally, I think before the cycle's over, we'll see reason to go at least to an even weight there. Right now, we're still looking at segments. There's not a lot of spread there, and there's not a lot of lending growth there right now. But we think it's still coming before the cycle's over.